Recently, in all practical questions, we were doing accounting equation on the basis of transaction made in the business, and on the basis of last equation, balance sheet was prepared. Balance sheet means position statement which tells about the assets and liabilities of the firm. But actually the main purpose of accountancy is to calculate the profit or loss made during the year and the financial position at the end of the year. At this moment we know how to calculate the financial statement or how to calculate the financial position of the firm. But till now we have not learned how to calculate profit of the firm. So now I am going to teach you how to calculate profit or loss made by firm. Before I explain you the formula of this thing, I would like to explain this concept with the help of this example. Suppose Mr. A is a fresh graduate in computer education from Delhi University. He lives in Delhi and he starts his business from his home. Means if anybody calls him, he can go to his home and he can fix the computer. This is the business of A. He is a basically computer technician. So every morning he leaves his home with rupees 1000 because he needs cash during the day. Sometimes he has to buy the tools or something for the computer, and sometimes he has to spend money for his own personal use. And whenever he fixes the computer for anyone, he gets his fees in cash. This is the system of business of A. And you know, if the money is taken for personal use, that is called drawings. So we'll assume whatever he spends money for his personal use, that will be his drawings. So let's prepare 5 columns for A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First column is for the days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. He doesn't work on Saturdays and Sunday. He likes to spend this Saturday and Sundays, I mean to say weekends, with his friends. And in the second column, I'm going to write down opening cash, because I'm going to assume that every day in the morning at 9 o'clock, he leaves his home and he takes 1000 rupees cash in his pocket because he needs the money for the whole day. Third column, business spendings. Business spending means he has to spend money for the stuff for computer because he is a computer technician. And the next column is for personal spending. Sometimes he buys the grocery or something else for his family, and that will be called personal drawings, and he spends the money from his pocket. And the last column will be closing cash. Now I want to know how much money did he earn as fee from the clients. Suppose on Monday morning he leaves his home with rupees 1000 in his pocket, and during the whole day he didn't spend any money for the business. Means he was not supposed to pay any money for the tools or anything for the computer, but he spent rupees 100 for his personal use, and he went to the different clients and got the fee in cash. But at the end, when he came back to the home, he found that he has got rupees 2000 in his pocket. What it means? In the morning he had rupees 1000, and out of that 100 he spent for his personal use and the balance was 900. But when he came back home, he had rupees 2000. It means he has earned rupees 1000. Am I right? No. Actually, out of that he has already spent rupees 100 for his personal use. If he had not taken 100 rupees, then I could say that he has made rupees 1000 as fee. This was the earning for the day. So in this way I can say the earning of the day is equal to closing cash minus opening cash plus drawings. That is equal to earning of the day. So closing cash was 2000 minus opening cash, that is 1000, plus drawings 100, that is equal to 1100. So I can say that during Monday he made 1100. It means he left the home with rupees 1000 and he got the fee from the clients 1100. So total cash would have been 2100 at the end of the day. But because out of that 100 he spent for his personal use, maybe for lunch, dinner, whatever it is. But it doesn't mean that he didn't make 1100. Actually he made 1100. Out of that he spent 100 and he came back home with rupees 2000. So total earning for the day, that is rupees 1100. Now for Tuesday, opening cash 1000, business spending 400, personal spending 0 and closing cash 2500. What it means? On Tuesday morning he left the home with rupees 1000. Out of that he had to buy some stuff for the computer to get it fixed, rupees 400. It means now he had only rupees 600. But when he came back home he had rupees 2500. Now I want to know how much money did he earn from the clients on Tuesday. That will be closing cash. So the earnings for the Tuesday will be closing cash minus opening cash plus drawings minus business spendings. That will be equal to the total earning for the day, and that is equal to 2500 minus 1000 plus 0 minus 400. That is equal to 1100. What it means? On Tuesday his net earning was 1100. Now for Wednesday, how much did he earn on Wednesday? That will be equal to closing cash minus opening cash plus personal spendings minus business spendings. That will be equal to 3000 minus 1000 plus 500 minus 0, that is equal to 2500. Now let's calculate the earnings of Thursday. Closing cash 3500 minus opening cash 1000 plus personal spendings 0 minus business spendings 600 rupees. Net 1900. Now earnings for Friday. Closing cash 4000 minus opening cash 1000 plus personal spendings 900 rupees minus business spendings 0. That will be equal to 3900. So in this way we can say the formula for the earning for the day is closing cash minus opening cash plus personal spendings minus business spending. That will be equal to profit. But in business we'll call it closing capital minus opening capital plus drawings minus fresh capital. That will be equal to profit. So in the future questions or future segments, we'll do the questions of accounting equation as well as we'll make the balance sheet at the end, and we'll calculate the profit earned by the firm during the year by applying this formula. I mean to say closing capital minus opening capital plus drawings minus fresh capital.